Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, it is Boxycharm time. Boxycharm has arrived and I am ready to open it and do a quick video so I can show you what I received. And this is the inside of the box. Let's see what I received. It's a Boxycharm Get. I'll have to put my glasses, right? I'll have to put my glasses. We need to see. I had to put my glasses on. I thought I could have done it without glasses, but they ain't happening. Boxycharm Gift of Glam. This is this pretty card with all the holiday bows and every gift on there and the gifts on there, so that's nice. Okay, let's see what I get. The paper saying the first item on that is Algenist Triple Algae Renewal Balm. I think I picked that. That is an eye cream, a targeted eye treatment with enhanced algae technology, clinically shown to help reduce dark under eye circles, bags, puffiness, lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet in just 10 days. Wow. I think that's why I picked it because I want to take care of what I can take care of. I'm not going crazy about it, but I know I will use it. Yep, so that's why I picked it. You see all the claims, I picked it for that. We want to be forever young, but that ain't gonna happen, you know. Triple Algae Renewal Cream. That's the box. This is the cream. Not a lot, but in 10 days I should see miracles. And it is $68. Wow. Okay. Next item on there says it is, nope, I'm gonna skip that. The next item is Wish Beauty Vanilla Bean Lip Mask with Bakuchuli. And this is what this looks like. It is $32. It say, are your lips missing the moisture they crave and desire? The Vanilla Bean Lip Mask with Bakuchuli is the answer. So we will see. Okay, that's a good sized jar. This is it. So that's 2 items. Next thing is Araceli Beauty Bella Sponge Duo. I was just saying I need some sponges. I just said I need some sponges, and here they are. And those sponges are $24. It's a 2 set. We're opening everything because I'm going to try everything. Ooh, they're soft. Okay, that's them. They're very soft. So that's the sponges. This thing is Yellow Cosmetics Gel Lip Pencil. This gel formulated gel lip pencil glides on fluidly and adheres instantly with a matte finish. And that's $15. And this lip pencil crayon, and what's the color? Rose is the color. This is what it looks like. It's $15. I don't remember if I say that. Okay, let's see. That's a good stuff. And that is the color. I will mix it with something else so it can work for me. Last but not least is the Seraphine Botanicals Happy Hibiscus Palette. This incredible soft and blendable luminizer and blush palette gives you instant color payoff and glides on seamlessly to deliver a healthy, lit from within flush of color. And that's $48. This is what it looks like. It has the little happy bunny behind it. And let's open. Packaging looks just like the box. And there are 4 shades in there. This is hibiscus, creamy rose. This is harvest, golden nude. This is petal, silky pink. This is dewdrop, illuminating gleam. Okay, that's them. That's it right here. They are really soft. They are really soft. So that is everything I got in my Boxycharm for December. This is it. I love my December box. Love my December box. Don't fall. So these are my items for December in my December box. I love them. Skincare and makeup. 5 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you all again for watching. Today's word is effect. Effect. What effect do you have on others? Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. If you have any fences to mend, please do it now. Don't wait for later. Don't wait for tomorrow, because those fences might not get mended. Time is of the essence. Mend those fences and move on. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you soon.